Make sure you use the zoom, alright? Good?
Gotcha.
Know what you're doing?
It started.
We're going to go. Open? No, they're closed. Where they at? Got a wall again? Yeah. Which one?
There's one guy. You're hit, right? Sit on your butt, because that way people are keeping you attractive. Right. Got one of them. Get him out. Alright.
You want to take a crack at it?
Okay.
You want to take a crack at it?
I want to go with these on.
Alright. I'm coming.
Alright, got one.
Alright, hey, give us some suppressor fire, guys.
Suppressor fire!
Suppressor fire, get some fire down, right? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go.
Keep fire.
One around that corner. Got it. Watch her back. That'd be game. Alright, stop recording.
Just act like 3 wheels running.
Semi-automatic only.
Pretty cool.
It begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
Watch out.
Watch out, this guy right there.
Woo! Hey!
That's all I was saying.
Where's he at? Around the corner. Chance, get low. Chance, get low.
I didn't see him that table here.
Yeah. We have plenty of people here.
Carry more A.
Do I just say cameraman just to go through?
What?
Cameraman just to go through?
No. I mean, no, don't worry. Just wait.
I said that 5 times.
Who wants to charge him? Where is he? On his bum rushing. Where is he?
There's more than one in there.
I don't know. I can't see him. Where are they?
Here, get him. Adam, let's go to boy. We're not doing any good.
All right.
You can hold your shield on. Get one kind of one. No, select that.
I kind of want to push up to me. I wonder how far we can get.
If we can get enough people, we can all just sit up and blow off. Let me go that one, come around. I'll bet anybody's over there. More. I got you. We're trying to push up his name. Hey, how you guys doing over here? Hey, they're pushing up. They're pushing up. They're pushing up. Main's pushed up. Go through. They're through. They're through. Come on. Come on. Come on. They're hit right here. Where y'all going? Huh? Yo! Move it up! Wrong main door. Alright. Check embassy. Someone get an embassy. Check embassy. I checked embassy. It's clear.
If there are any best players left alive, fire your weapons! Yeah!
I shot the barrel of your gun!
Gun hits don't count.
You won't be able to shoot.
It's alright, bud. Gun hits don't count.
Sorry, dude. Sorry.
Yo! 1, 2, 3,
Is theirs on?
4, 5,
Wait, so we're winning, right?
6, 7, 8,
Hey, we're winning! Hey,
10,
open it!
11,
Damn shot, open
12,
it!
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, no blind fire! 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
52,
27,
29,
28,
36,
29,
38,
31,
76,
36, 37, 38, 39, 41,
Left side. Left camera.
42, 43, 44,
You gotta do twist in combat.
47,
Keep doing damn stuff.
Why aren't you doing twist?
I can't.
Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Why not?
count has expired.
What's that mean?
That means it's been turned off.
I'll turn you off. Hey, boy! Hey! Hey! Ding! Fries are done.
Too fast of a game.
Hey. Adam.
Hello!
I'm gonna hit that satellite. Can you give me some cover?
Hey, cover me.
Holster your weapon.
Up 60 and I know it. 2, 3,
Back on.
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14.
I can see them.
15. 16.
I can see you.
17. Now shake to the ground. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. What? 25. What? 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 34. 35. 36. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53.
Hey, we got some guys at the end of the hallway.
55. 56. 57. 58.
We can move up. Adam, let's wrap it up over here. Hit.
Experiment only! Call your hit! Where the fuck did you come from? Were you on my team? What? How are you there and there? See, go.
You got sword kill? Yeah. Not sword kills. You want help? Can you hit up?
You alright, Derek?
Yeah, I'm good.
You want me to carry you out, bud?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
I'll live it out.
He dead? Is he gone? That's some bullshit. I got some bullshit. So let's get out. I got you.
Hey, semi-only! Semi-automatic only!
Back up.
Damn, shotgun, hello!
No bumper thing? No shit. That's a Haji hat, dude. Holy shit, she's a good aim. Is that Noah? No. I don't know. Fuck. Is that a shotgun? Is he dead? Yeah. You alright? Take my spot, I'll get him off. That's your foot. I love you. Go ahead. Good. I love you, John. Skylar.
I shot you.
Nice, guys. Yep.
It won't semi. It will not semi.
Well, yeah, I heard it go off over there.
Alright. Yeah. You got it. Hit my hand, hit my hand. Or this thing around.
Guy in the corner. You saw one guy green. I get some footage of you.
Hit.
Cover that.
Where's everybody else at? Two were down. Like,
Where? Told me they're on fire.
No. I think they were going to respawn.
Oh, that's right. They had to back up.
Yeah.
Come on.
Dude, just tell you got your iPhone.
Once you go respawn, they can run right back, right?
Guys, hey, we need to spread out and secure this area so we get our 2 other Marines back.
Thank you.
Guys, secure the area. We gotta wait for our 2 other Marines to get back to it. Hey, Savvy, we're just waiting for 2 more Marines to get here, alright?
Got it.
Alright.
Hey guys,
Where's some help here?
Sure.
Someone needs to come cover this for me real quick.
Derek, where's our last Marine? Where's Adam?
Oh,
Heiby!
somebody just got dragged.
Adam!
Hey, where'd you go? Go back.
Aaron!
Shit! Guys! We got contact out here! Don't take my spot.
Medic. Someone! Derek!
What? Where's Eric? Yeah, I used to roll a short sleeve for like a year and a half before I got outside.
Eric!
Yeah, seriously.
Alright, we need to secure this area.
I got contact with that!
Where's Adam?
But we can go leave right now.
We can't. We need Heiby.
Who's Heiby?
Adam, that's his last name. Heiby! Adam! We're missing 1 Marine. They do?
Yeah, Derek went back there.
Is Derek hit?
No, I didn't.
Take point, I got your back. Don't go farther than past you.
Hit!
Hold back. Keep moving backwards.
Watch that corner, dude. You got someone in me over there.
Where's the medic?
I don't know. He left Derek. Where's Derek?
What are we moving?
We're missing Adam. Oh. I'm not going. Where is he?
Yeah, he's in here. Yes, he is.
Where is
Aaron! Get to our spot now! Aaron!
Where?
Woo! Shit! I couldn't tell if you're down or not. Omega's released! Omega's released! Omega's released!
Yep, we can meet him. Alright, I'm gonna... I think
think Hell's Kitchen is pretty clean. So I'm gonna go to Hell's Kitchen.
Can't hit you?
No, I can't do it.
Whoa, get up, come on. Jeff.
Are you hitting?
Jeff.
What?